Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you very simple refreshment mocktail Blue Ocean. How to make Blue Ocean? First of all, take a tall glass, then you can add 4 to 6 ice cubes into the tall glass. After that, you have to squeeze 2 lime wedges. Very simple mocktail you can try. For this mocktail, you can add one more lime juice. Okay. Okay, add lemon juice. After that, you can add some lime slices into the After that, you have to add 15 to 20 ml of blue cocoa syrup. Then simply you have to fill the glass with soda and Sprite. Just stir the stirring method. Then fill the glass with Sprite. Your Blue Ocean mocktail is ready. Very simple refreshment mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much.